How to add Discord audio to OBS. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, start OBS Studio and go to Sources. At the bottom of Sources, you'll find plus button. Click on plus button and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Application Audio Capture, which is the first option. After that, you'll find something like this. On Window, select Discord. After you've selected discord.exe voice and video, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Your Discord will be added. After that, you can adjust audio of Discord in this way. And this is how to add Discord audio to OBS. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophie signing off. Until next time.